Here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix a suspended Google account and restore access. When Google suspends an account, it's usually because of unusual activity, policy violations, or security risks. Before trying to recover it, check the suspension email from Google. It usually explains the reason and gives a link to appeal. Open any browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. Sign in using the suspended account. If your account is eligible for recovery, Google will redirect you to the account appeal form. Google will ask a few questions about your account and the activity associated with it. Be honest, keep your explanation simple, and clearly state that you believe the suspension was a mistake. If your account was hacked before suspension, mention that as well. Once finished, hit Submit. Google may take anywhere from a few hours to several days to review your appeal. If Google restores your account, immediately secure it. Turn on two-step verification, update your recovery phone and email, and remove any devices you don't recognize. This helps prevent future suspensions triggered by suspicious activity. If your appeal is rejected, you can submit one more appeal. But if Google permanently suspends the account, you will not be able to restore it. In that case, your only option is to create a new Google account and update your recovery information to prevent this in the future. And that's how to fix a suspended Google account and increase your chances of getting it restored.